Welcome back to Las Cuatro Esquinas, West Side Chicano history. In the heart of Santa Monica's Pico neighborhood, where generations of working class families built their lives, young people faced a cycle of violence, poverty, and silence. But from struggle came strength, out of pain came purpose, and from the community, a call for justice. Out of this struggle rose a movement, a place where youth could turn pain into power. This is the Pico Youth and Family Center, a home for activism, creativity, and justice. Born from tragedy in the late 1990s after a surge of gang violence, PYFC began not as a service, but as an act of defiance. Community members demanded peace, opportunity, and a voice for their youth. Since opening its doors in 2002, the center stood as a sanctuary and as a megaphone for young leaders determined to transform their city. At PYFC, activism isn't just taught, it's lived. Here, teens learn how to organize campaigns, produce films about justice, and speak truth to power. They have pushed the city to remove anti-Indigenous murals, fought for ethnic studies in local schools, and reshaped city planning to protect their neighborhood. Through programs like the Pico Leadership Academy and Digital Dreams Pathways, young people are mastering technology, media, and civic engagement, therefore redefining what activism looks like in the 21st century. PYFC's activism goes beyond protests. It's about healing and empowerment. Through art, digital storytelling, and mindfulness, the center teaches that real change begins from within. Youth who once faced the margins are now creators, advocates, and mentors, building bridges where walls once stood. In the Pico neighborhood, activism has a heartbeat. It's the rhythm of unity, justice, and youth who refuse to be forgotten. The Pico Youth and Family Center is more than a place, it's a movement. Because when young people rise, the whole community rises with them. Thank you for watching another episode. If the mission of our channel speaks to you, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe, and tap the notification bell to help us grow a community that honors history, memory, and revolutionary consciousness. Let's keep our stories alive together.